Provide your family with visibly clean, great-tasting water for drinking, cooking and more. Features: reduces Giardia, Cryptosporidium cysts, Lindane, Atrazine, a pesticide and herbicide, asbestos, mercury, chlorine taste, odor, and sediment, Micron rating of 0.5. Compatibility: use with the Culligan US-550, US-600A, Sci 2000 and Sci 2100 filtration systems. Filter life, up to 12 months or 1,000 gallons, depending on usage and filtration load. Certification, tested by IAPMO according to NSF, ANSI 42 and 53 for the reduction of the listed substances. Product description: The D-30A Advanced Drinking Water Cartridge provides 12 months, 1,000 gallons of refreshing drinking water by reducing chlorine, particulates and bad taste. The D-30A is compatible with the following systems: US-550, US-600A, Sci 2000 and Sci 2100. From the manufacturer, the Culligan D-30A Level 2 carbon block water filter reduces Giardia, Cryptosporidium cysts, Lindane, Atrazine, a pesticide and herbicide, asbestos, and mercury. It will also reduce chlorine taste, odor, and sediment. The filter comes with a 0.5 micron nominal filtration and has a filter life of 12 months or 1,000 gallons. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful. Looked at so many water filters online and in the stores. The water here in Florida is just awful and not drinkable because of the smell and taste of chlorine. We even had the dreaded Rainsoft reps come to our house and waste 3 hours of our time, wanting $10,000 for their product. Can you believe that? Read the reviews on this one and most were positive, and I thought, if it doesn't work, then I haven't lost very much. Needed 2 trips to the hardware store, as we have a new house and the under-the-sink fittings are not compatible with the fixings on this. I had previously taken the fittings off the toilet cisterns to the water inlet, as I fitted some bidet sprays, and I was happy to see that those fittings were adaptable to this filter system. So just needed to get some connectors to go with it. Some people complain about the push fittings, but if you make sure they are pressed firmly to the end, then they work just fine. I used push fittings on my heating system in England and never had a problem there, so knew these would be okay for this.